Yate students, Yate. I would like to move on to page 12. I think 11 was done. And we are moving on to the sounds la, la. So let's get started right away. An easy sound for us to use. La, la, le, 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 lo, lo. Regular short sounds. Now we move on to high tones. La, la, le, 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 lo, lo. Nasal tones. La, la, le, 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 lo, lo. Then on to the glottal stop, short sound. La, la, le, 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 lo, lo. Go into the long sounds. Nines, godits, regular sound. La, la, le, le, li, li, lo, lo. Now decodits up, high tones. La, la, le, le, li, li, lo, lo. And now to the nasal sound. Chi bedits up. La, 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 li, li, long, long. And lastly, the glottal stop. Kekalgodits up. La, la, le, le, li, li, lo, lo, la, le, li, lo, la, le, li, lo, long, le, li, long, la, le, li, lo, la, la, le, li, lo, lo. High tones, la, la, le, li, lo, lo. Into the nasal sounds, la, 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 li, long, long. And onto the glottal stops, la, la, le, le, li, lo, lo. Please continue practicing the L sounds, and we hope that you enjoy your L sounds and learning Telugu and Gaga and Dineh Bizarre. Thank you and have a wonderful day.